Hi Giridhar, எப்படி இருக்கிறீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேன் மேம்.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Giridhar. எங்க சைட்ல இருந்து feedback வேணுமா இருக்குது. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you மேம்.
சரி, உங்களை பத்தி சொல்லுங்க Giridhar, your introduction.
Actually myself I'm Giridhar. I did my college BE Civil Engineering in Coimbatore, Dr. NGPIT Institute of Technology. After that, with my college HOD, she introduced CMTI, in which I joined IDM course, and now I'm placed in Plank and View as a junior designer.
Okay, so like what and all you learned in IDM?
In IDM, I learned AutoCAD. I mean, in software lines, we will say that AutoCAD we learned. Then we learned SketchUp. Then I learned ProLance. Then it is Microsoft project. I learned this. These four I learned here. Then if we go for like interior studies means, I learned about cut list, MMT. Then what are the types of hinges are there, which comes in cut list. So I learned in about interior and about the dimensions of all the wardrobes and modulars.
Okay, so how was your site visits and all?
Yeah, it was good. We went for Homeland, Design Cave, then IKEA. I went to these three. It
Okay.
was so good and it was so informative also.
Okay. So, like, how was your interview process, Giridhar?
Yeah, I attended more than 5 interviews and I just got selected. I got selected in 2 interviews and I finally this one.
Okay. So, how was Ashok sir guidance and all?
Yeah, he was good here. In the group, he just updated everything, what and all we need to know. His information was very, actually, I gained many knowledge through his WhatsApp messages, and I also am following him in LinkedIn, and he shares many informative things.
Okay. So, how was your trainers and all, Giridhar?
Everybody was good. We got training for interior side. We got training, especially from Ishrat sir, Ali sir, and everyone. So it was so informative. Actually, they were working on and they were while working. So we got many experiences from there. What we need to do, what we should not do. They guided everything.
Oh, thank you, Giridhar. Thank you so much for your feedback. So, all the best for your future and congratulations for your placements. Thank you, Giridhar.
Thank you. Thank you.